From January to April, I traveled 23,911 nautical miles, visiting 9 countries on 4 continents in 104 days. The first month, I was ill with excitement and wide-eyed over the possibility that this adventure would change my life. The second month, I was depressed with stress of missing familiarity and overwhelmed with emotions of seeing extreme poverty for the first time. The third month, I had a mind filled with ideas of how I could impact the world on a global and local scale. The last 2 weeks, I prayed for the voyage to end, craving to see family and being in one place. I lived a life full of passion that was so chaotic it did not seem real. I had taken on an adventure of a lifetime. How lucky am I to have lived such an incredible life? For 4 months, I was completely isolated from all things known and forced into a state of facing my biggest fears. I was alone. I had no one to force an identity on me. I was lost, searching for something to remind me of who I thought I was. I was forced to look at my passions and desires, examine what was really important. And what did I realize? I realized how important being present is, to remove my identity from my material possessions, and to get my nose out of the sand, my head out of the clouds, and to look around me as much as possible. I realized how much I failed myself all the years before this experience due to planning too far into the future and dwelling too far in the past. I rid myself of all meaningless material belongings. I removed as much negativity from my life as I could. I discovered minimalism, vegetarianism, and the zero waste movement. I adopted a dog that shows me what true happiness is every day. I took the time to ponder what makes me truly happy in life. And I dropped every obligation that made me unhappy. Instead of planning every second until I earn a doctorate degree, I started focusing on my current degree. Life is too short to be planning every moment and not allowing for any spontaneous adventures to happen. Semester at sea taught me how fast life passes us by, and I will be damned if I allow myself to miss another second of this beautiful life.